This is a Rainbow MacGyver video, and I am Rainbow MacGyver. Alright, so we first tried, where are those at? Hey, do those wire snippers near you? Or in my pocket? Man, they're right here. So, we first tried these, and then we tried his Dremel. Then we ended up getting the rest of the way through it with my Dremel 3100. And we were moving that. He fucked up his bike in some way last night. So we had to remove that piece. There's another piece down here. Right here. Yeah, I think we're gonna make the cut. Like right there. And that's and again, me and my buddy have known each other just after 9/11. We were both part of units the American people don't know about. And this is actually making quick work. Again, we're using my Dremel 3100, which is one of my newer Dremels. Yeah, so remove that piece. We're now making short work off this piece. And we got the piece off. So, there you go. Those are the two pieces that were fucking up his bike last night. I still don't know how he did it. I don't know if I want to know how he did it, but again, we tried using these failed. That wire failed. Dremel succeeded. So again, the Dremel 3100 is the tool you want to get if you like what you see. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel. I look forward to hearing from you soon. God bless. Be safe. Talk to you soon. Rainbow MacGyver out.